Right, so week 7, if we actually click on the link Education Perfect, it should bring us to rearranging equations. And so this one is quite a good activity. And we'll call the operation that undoes multiplication. That would be division, submit, and there we go. Operation that undoes division, there we go, and undoes addition is subtraction, and undoes subtraction is addition. And we go to the next section. So we've got some really good stuff here on Education Perfect that you guys can work on and read about.